Dell UltraSharp U3818DW review. This giant 38-inch ultra-wide might replace two monitors. You know that drained, distracted feeling when your workspace feels like a prison of clutter? Tiny windows stacked, switching tabs endlessly, your creativity crushed under the weight of unreliable screens. Hours slip away, ideas die half-formed, and motivation leaks like air from a balloon. It's not just inefficiency, it's the slow erosion of your focus and energy. Stress piles up, projects stretch longer, work feels heavier. Instead of clarity, chaos wins, spreadsheets fight timelines, tabs consume your attention, and energy evaporates. Burnout creeps in quietly, making every task a grind. You miss opportunities, stall progress, and watch productivity collapse. Nothing feels under control, and your setup betrays you when you need it most. That's where the Dell UltraSharp U3818DW steps in, your panoramic escape route. Imagine a 38-inch curved canvas, 3,840 by 1,600, wrapping around your vision, giving you space to breathe, plan, and create. Picture three full windows open side by side without overlap, your design app, reference doc, and chat all coexisting in perfect harmony. No frantic toggling, no lost focus. Its InfinityEdge IPS panel delivers 99% sRGB accuracy, so what you see is sharp, vivid, and true. The USB-C port powers your laptop, streams video, transfers data, one cable, no chaos. And the built-in KVM lets you control two PCs seamlessly, like magic. One editor shared how a deadline day crisis turned around because she had her reference clips, edits, and renders running side by side on the same screen, finishing in hours, not days. From swivel-adjustable ergonomics to ComfortView blue light reduction, this monitor doesn't just look good, it feels like working smarter. The real magic? Transformation. Workflows untangle, focus sharpens, productivity soars. Analysts rave about its rare 3,840 by 1,600 resolution, calling it a game-changer for vertical space, ideal for scrolling code, timelines, or towering spreadsheets. Influencers show how it replaces a dual-monitor setup with one seamless, curved ultra-wide, dramatically cutting clutter. Experts emphasize its flawless out-of-box color accuracy, noting designers and editors can trust it immediately. And real users? They're buzzing. This monitor is a productivity game-changer. I can keep my IDE, docs, and terminal all visible, no overlap. Another praises, the 90-watt USB-C power delivery simplified my desk, charging, and connecting in one shot. Even longtime multi-monitor enthusiasts admit the U3818DW won them over with its immersive curve, sturdy stand, and silky multitasking. Ask yourself, what could you accomplish if every project, every idea, every task had room to breathe? If you stopped fighting your tools and started flowing with them? That's why thousands are switching. That's why people call this monitor not just a display, but a revolution. This isn't just another screen. It's your chance to level up. Supplies are limited, and professionals are already claiming theirs fast. Don't wait until you're left stuck with yesterday's setup. Secure yours today, cut the clutter, and join the growing wave of creators, coders, analysts, and editors who've already upgraded. Why settle for cramped, frustrating, outdated tools when freedom is right here? Seize this chance. On the curve. Unlock your flow. The Dell U3818DW is waiting. Grab it now before it's gone.